In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix the scripts are disabled on this system error. So if you're trying to type in an NPM command such as NPM install and you're getting some kind of error that says scripts are disabled, I'm going to show you how to solve this. Now there's two things you need to do. The first thing is you need to make sure you have Node.js already installed onto your computer. If you don't already have this, you can just head over to the official website and you'll be able to find the official download links here. Now once you've installed this, you need to go and open up your file explorer. You can then double click on your C drive, double click on program files, and then scroll down and double click on Node.js. You then need to click on the file directory at the top, and you need to go and copy all of this address. Once you've done that, we're going to open up the start menu, search for the word environment and click on edit environment variables. You can then click on the option called path and press edit, click on new, and then go and paste in that file directory and press enter. Now once you've done that, just go and press OK and OK to save your changes. Now there's one more thing we need to do, and that's open up the start menu, go and search for the word terminal, and then right click on the terminal and select run as administrator. Now from this window, you just need to go and copy and paste the following command. Now I'll leave this in the video description so you guys can come and copy and paste this as well. So I'm just going to paste in this command like so and press enter. Now once you've done this, you'll need to restart your computer, and once your computer's restarted, you can then go and use the NPM command. So it's really as simple as that, guys. Let me know in the comments if you found this video helpful.